Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where another cold front moves through the Western Cape. In contrast, we're expecting sunny and warm weather for KwaZulu-Natal, with a typical mostly clear and mild day across the interior on Saturday. On our satellite, you'll see that cold front sweeping over the southwestern part of South Africa. It brought in morning showers over the southwestern parts, and you'll see it spreading that cloudy weather with the possibility of rainfall through to the southern part of the country. It also results in a cooler day over the southern parts, and it brings in the possibility of rainfall through to Port Elizabeth much later on in the day. Ahead of the front, we're expecting sunny and warm weather in KwaZulu-Natal, with a mostly sunny and mild day over the central and northeastern part of South Africa. There's also a watch for gale force winds along the coast between Cape St. Francis and Port Alfred, but with those wind speeds moderating later on in the day. Our rainfall probability map shows up to a 40% chance of rainfall through the Western Cape, with a slight possibility of rainfall over the extreme southwestern part of the province, and then you'll see that rainfall reaching Port Elizabeth on Saturday evening. On our wind map, you'll see quite windy conditions over the southern and central interior, with a strong west-southwesterly wind for the Eastern Cape coastline, a light southwester along the west coast, and then you'll see a northwesterly offshore flow along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline. On our temperature map, you'll see that warm weather in KwaZulu-Natal, with highs in the middle and upper 20s, 24 degrees for Kimberley and Pretoria, 22 as we head towards Johannesburg, and we stick with that mild weather for Bishu and East London. Quite chilly over the southern parts though, with that cold front resulting in a high of 16 degrees for George, 11 for Sutherland, and Cape Town warming up to 17 degrees, with Springbok matching that daytime high. It'll be a cool night across the interior, with a minimum of 3 for Kimberley and R, 1 degree below 0 for Bloemfontein, 6 degrees as we head towards Johannesburg and George, 7 for Port Elizabeth, Bishu and Pietermaritzburg, as well as Mahikeng and Polokwane, 9 degrees for Bombela, 10 as we head into Cape Town and Springbok, and Sutherland will drop 4 degrees below 0 overnight. Our extended forecast takes us into Sunday, where you'll see that cooler weather spreading through to the eastern parts. We're also expecting some light rain for Durban, Richards Bay and Bombela, with sunny and warmer weather returning to the forecast over the western parts. That's short-lived though, with another cold front moving in on Monday, bringing in cloudy, wet and cold weather for Cape Town at 16. But you'll see warm weather ahead of that front, with highs in the middle and upper 20s all the way through to Richards Bay, with a partly cloudy and mild day across the interior. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.